Welcome to the PRODOCOM HTML Builder tutorial. You will get to this step of building an HTML when prompted to create your message either as an email, mobile message, or mobile content page. Here we will show the basics of the HTML Builder and the page settings. For more detail on each of the HTML drop-in sections, please refer to the individual section video. For the purpose of this video, we will start with an open template, which you will find under Standard Templates and Layouts. The first thing to note is that the screen is split into two sections, a left and a right. The left is a preview of what you are building and where you drop your HTML sections into. The right is where you edit the sections you drop in. The sections to drop in are found here in the Add New Section area on the right-hand side. To get back to this view on the right, click on a non-section area on the left. We'll show you later. When you get to the HTML Builder, you will see on the top right there is a Page Properties section. It's probably best to sort these out first, so this is where we will start. The first thing to do is to determine the width of the area you want to have editable. 800 pixels is the norm for emails and 100% for mobile message and content. You will note that below the width is a width mode where you can change between pixels and percentage. Once you've sorted your width, click on the box next to background to select a background color. Note you can add background colors to each section. The background color will fill the whole email or mobile screen. Next, select a border for the editable area if you want one. Finally, set the general alignment. You are now on to selecting the default text styling. This is pretty self-explanatory, although this sets a default for the page. You can change this in each section you add. Now that you have your page set up, you can add the sections you need to make up your HTML. To add a section, put your mouse pointer over the desired section and drag it onto the preview section like this. This will put the section edit options up on the right-hand side of the screen. For more detail on each of these section settings, please refer to the section tutorial video. The sections we will have available are text for purely text section, image to add an image section, noting that you can add more than one image here, text and image to add text and image in one section, HTML to drop into HTML code that may already have, a horizontal rule to drop in horizontal line to break up your HTML page. Social is to add an icons for social media with links to your social media pages. WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, is predominantly to enable you to build HTML tables. For mobile, message, and content pages, we also have HTML forms and barcodes. You will note that at the top of the right-hand side, we have a text version tab. This is to enable you to create a text version of your HTML. For the email, this is to provide us something to deliver if the recipient's mail server will not accept HTMLs. And for the mobile messages, this provides an option to display if the user is offline and tries to access a message. You will note that you can import text, which will take across the text from the HTML that you have built, or you can type in text. Finally, we have a row of icons above the left preview side of the screen. This www icon will add or remove the link to view an online version of this email at the top. The envelope icon will add or remove the unsubscribe link at the bottom. The magnifying glass icon will run spam check over your HTML. The big U will add, remove, underline, or links in the HTML. The CSS enables you to add CSS that you may have or want to add. The test icon gives you the option to send yourself a test just to check your HTML before you close out. Note that you will have had to have saved your HTML first. As a rule, we would always advise that you save your HTML build as you go. So there you have it. We hope that you have found this useful. Please feel free to call us in the support team on 1300 132 739 if you need more help, or check out other tutorials.